So in the last video we took a look at how do we upload a file through a form in HTML and then use the Go programming language to process that upload, grab the contents of the file, and send it back to the user. In this video we're going to see how do you get the contents of the file and then store that file on the server. And so one way you could do that, is all this stuff here in index.gohtml will be the form where you could upload a file. And so that form here, index.gohtml, is right there. Inc type, multi-part form upload, and input type is file, right? And so we're uploading a file. And once that file gets uploaded, if our method is post, we use form file to open that file. We get the file, we defer its close, and then we read all of that file, and that gives us back a slice of bytes. We convert that to a string, and then we create. And to create, we use file path join, and we join from our current root through user, right? So from our current root where our program's running, we go into the user folder, and then we have the file name. So it puts from our root into user with the file name, and it creates a file there. And that becomes our destination. We defer the destination close, and then we do destination write, and we write that slice of bytes to that file. And so that will allow us to upload a file and then write it to our server in a certain folder if we wanted to do that. So, this is just an interesting example and kind of cool to look at. It gives you the code pathway, and it gives you food for thought if you want to explore that further or do other things. But it kind of shows you one of the ways that you could approach handling that. How many people want to see it run, or it's good? You want to see it run? So let's see it run. So Control C, Control K, change and go up a level and then down into O2 and go run main. And then localhost, and it's going to ask me to upload a file, so I'll choose a file, and I need to go to Go Workspace Source, GitHub, goes to 11, Golang WebDev, and I go to what am I at? I'm like right in here, passing data, and form file, and O2, and sample file, between father and son. So let me just show you that there's nothing in there right now, right? It's just empty. That's holding the directory from being deleted. And now I upload that file, and it gives me the contents of the file, so I wrote that back, but also wrote it right there. Pretty cool. So I'll let you pause the video right here if you're watching this online, and you can read that. I'll come back to this in a second, actually. If you're looking for the code, it's in this GitHub repo right there. That's the user, goes to 11. Golang WebDev is the repo. And there's the poem.